It's a silent killer in your home. It has already taken lives in Detroit this month. We're talking about carbon monoxide poisoning.
Right, and now with this kind of chill in the air, many of you are turning on furnaces and plugging in space heaters that could be a danger. Consumer investigator Hank Winchester gets expert advice to help keep you safe.
Come with me down here in the basement. The issue and the concern, carbon monoxide. That's why you have to have an expert take a good look at your furnace to make sure everything is A-OK.
It can happen so fast, and the outcome can be deadly. In fact, it just happened this week in Detroit.
They found the two bodies on the floor. They checked their pulses. The lady had a faint pulse. They got her rushed off to the hospital. The man, he had no vital signs. He was pronounced dead here at the scene by medics.
Carbon monoxide poisoning, a silent killer.
What's the main danger? It's just that you don't realize that there's a leak in your home until it's too late.
Correct. Carbon monoxide it's colorless, it's odorless. You don't know it's there until you start feeling the effects of it.
John Keel is with air conditioning engineers in Shelby Township. He says investing in a carbon monoxide detector like these is key.
It's so important to have CO detectors in your home.
Okay.
That way, you're going to get an alert after it gets to 50 to 70 parts per million. It's going to start beeping.
And those can be purchased just at Home Depot, Lowe's, online. They're not that expensive.
No, you can go on Amazon and get one for $30, $40.
A trained pro like John can take a look for cracks or wear and tear on the inside that could create a potential problem.
Could I visually see the crack, not having a lot of furnace knowledge, or is that something that you should really have an expert come over and try to take a look at?
You should definitely have an expert. The guys, they know, on what brand of furnaces where the cracks are most, and we also have cameras that we put up in there to see.
A check of this furnace and all appears to be okay. No leaks, no CO threat. But there are issues. A dirty filter that can slow the system down. And a leak that could mean a different set of problems. An inspection like this one could cost you anywhere between $50 and $150. But that investment could literally save a life. In the meantime, invest in a carbon monoxide detector. Always keep generators on the outside of your home. If you use a space heater, make sure it's safe, not on a recall list, and keep it away from children. Change your furnace filter. And if you can't afford it, get your furnace inspected by a pro.
Make sure you check your warranty or coverage plan on your furnace. Some inspections may actually be fully covered depending on the manufacturer and the date it was installed. Again, it's not a huge investment. A CO detector, pick it up at Walmart, Home Depot, $50.
That's right.
It can really save a lot.
Looks really cheap when it does what it's supposed to.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hank.
Sure.